This is exactly how Airsoft should be played.
Okay, good? Good. Let's get some more pits. Hit hard. Where's it coming from? Let's go! Let's go! It's coming from you! Hey, it's coming from Big Rock! Hit Big Rock! Hit Big Rock! Get down low! Get low! Shit, I can't pull. Hey, just turn that bitch around. I got it. Going you out. Get that fish going. Hey! I'm just dropping it. Charge two. Charge two. They're hit for Big Rock. Stay low. Fuck, I hate these rounds. We get another one ready. We gotta stay low. So I'm gonna observe this one to show you what we need to do. I know. I'm not gonna look up, they're still hitting the fucking pit. Keep running to me. Good work. Hey! Hey, they're hitting the Big Rock! Big Rock! That's fine. They're gonna egress. We're gonna hit them. Hey, keep hitting Big Rock! Fucking thing will come off. I'm gonna scoot it over, right up. Fuck. Alright, let me go get you. Hey, watch your backside! Stand by. Here you go, here you go, here you go. Everyone watch your 2-0! God, I hope an RPG don't hit fucking today.